In this video, we're diving into ClaudeCode to explore best practices for seamless collaboration in coding projects, ensuring efficiency and synergy among your team.
Welcome to our deep dive into ClaudeCode. Did you know that effective collaboration can boost your team's productivity by up to 30%? Today, we'll explore how you can harness ClaudeCode for seamless teamwork in your coding projects. From setting up permissions to maintaining coding standards, we're covering it all. Stick around to learn how to transform your collaborative efforts and stay ahead in your projects.
Collaboration dynamics are at the heart of any successful coding project. It begins with defining clear roles and responsibilities within your team. This clarity helps in avoiding overlaps and ensures that everyone knows what they are accountable for. But it's not just about roles. Understanding how different team members work together can significantly impact project outcomes. A cohesive team that communicates effectively and respects each other's ideas is more likely to innovate and solve problems efficiently. Avoid common pitfalls like miscommunication and lack of transparency by setting clear expectations and using effective communication tools. Remember, the goal is to create an environment where every team member feels valued and motivated to contribute. Setting up permissions correctly is crucial for effective collaboration. Permissions dictate who can access and modify different parts of the project, preventing unauthorized changes and ensuring data integrity. Start by identifying the different roles within your project. ClaudeCode allows you to assign permissions based on these roles, ensuring everyone has the access they need without compromising security. This role-based access control helps avoid conflicts that can arise when too many people have the same level of access. Make sure to regularly review permissions as team members join or leave to maintain security. Proper permissions setup not only protects your work but also streamlines the workflow, allowing your team to focus on what they do best.
Effective communication is the backbone of any collaborative effort. Choosing the right tools can make or break your team's productivity. ClaudeCode integrates seamlessly with many popular communication platforms, allowing for real-time collaboration and reducing the need for endless email threads. Tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams can be integrated to keep conversations organized and accessible. This integration helps in reducing response times and ensures that important updates are communicated promptly. By minimizing email clutter, your team can focus more on coding and less on inbox management. Encourage the use of these tools to keep everyone on the same page and foster a culture of open communication. Version control is essential for any collaborative coding project. It allows you to track changes, collaborate without overwriting each other's work, and revert to previous versions if needed. ClaudeCode supports integration with various version control systems like Git, making it easier for teams to manage code changes. This integration ensures that every change is documented and can be traced back to the person who made it. It also allows multiple team members to work on the same file without causing conflicts, as changes can be merged seamlessly. By integrating version control into your workflow, you can maintain a clean and organized codebase that is easy to navigate and manage. Merge conflicts are a common occurrence in collaborative coding projects, but they don't have to derail your progress. Understanding what causes these conflicts is the first step in resolving them efficiently. Typically, conflicts arise when multiple team members edit the same part of a file concurrently. ClaudeCode provides tools to help you identify and resolve these conflicts quickly. By following a structured resolution process, you can ensure that code integrity is maintained. It's also important to communicate with your team to avoid future conflicts by coordinating who works on what parts of the code. With the right approach and tools, merged conflicts can be resolved without affecting your project timeline. Code reviews are an integral part of maintaining quality and consistency in your projects. They provide an opportunity to catch errors early, ensure adherence to coding standards, and foster a culture of learning and improvement. Start by setting clear review guidelines so everyone knows what to look for and how to provide feedback. Common techniques include pair programming, where two developers work together, and walkthroughs, where code is reviewed by a group. Encourage constructive feedback by focusing on the code, not the coder. Tools like ClaudeCode offer automated review features that can catch common errors and enforce coding standards, saving time and improving overall code quality. Maintaining consistent coding standards is crucial for teamwork and code maintainability. Define clear standards that everyone on the team should follow, covering aspects like code formatting, naming conventions, and documentation. Consistency ensures that code is easy to read and understand, making collaboration smoother. Tools like linters can automatically enforce these standards within ClaudeCode, catching deviations as code is written. Uniformity in code also aids in onboarding new team members, as they can quickly get up to speed with the project's coding style. Remember, coding standards should be reviewed and updated regularly to incorporate new best practices and technologies.
Continuous improvement is about constantly evaluating and refining your processes to enhance productivity and collaboration. Encourage your team to provide feedback on existing workflows and suggest improvements. This feedback loop allows you to implement changes that can have a significant positive impact on your project outcomes. Measure the effectiveness of these changes by tracking key performance indicators and reviewing project timelines. Staying ahead of industry trends and incorporating new tools and practices can also drive improvement. ClaudeCode offers features that facilitate continuous learning and adaptation, helping your team evolve and stay competitive in a rapidly changing tech landscape.
In conclusion, mastering collaboration in ClaudeCode is key to elevating your coding projects. By implementing best practices like setting up proper permissions, utilizing effective communication tools, and maintaining coding standards, you can enhance your team's synergy and efficiency. Remember, continuous improvement is vital, so always seek feedback and adapt. Would love to hear your thoughts. What challenges do you face in collaborative coding? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Your engagement helps us bring you the content you want to see.